Are you dealing with mold in Montreal and can't decide which professional mold removal and inspection service to choose? You have two main options: Mold Busters Montreal and Canada Restoration Services Montreal. Let's compare the two companies and help you make an informed decision. Mold Busters Montreal has more experience, is BBB accredited, and offers more scheduling options and customer benefits, such as free virtual and same-day inspections. Canada Restoration Services Montreal, on the other hand, brings additional services like fire and smoke damage cleanup. Both companies are professional and offer solutions to mold-related issues. However, based on our comparison, Mold Busters Montreal brings more comprehensive services such as asbestos testing and removal and rebuilding, customer support, and scheduling options. To see the complete comparison and make an informed decision, click the link in the description box to visit our website. Don't let mold be a health hazard and an eyesore on your property. Choose the best mold removal and inspection service in Montreal.